Hi, I'm Mark from Camperlove, and today I will show you how to assemble the SUPERCOMPACT Camper Bed. With our screw system it is very easy, and you only need a 3 mm Allen key for the bed, and if you ordered the Super Drawer, a 4 mm one. The SUPERCOMPACT Camper Bed will arrive in 4 packages: the pre-assembled bed frame, the sides of the bed, the support structure, a bag with the screws, fixing straps, and a Camperlove sticker for the van. With the bed frame upside down, we will place the sides of the bed, with the hook back. We take the high crossbeam and place it upside down on the backs of the bed. We place the cylindrical nut in its housing, with the hole oriented towards the screw slot. We enter the screw until it hardens, and give an extra quarter turn. We do the same with the other 5 screws. Take the 2 low crossbars, the 2 pieces are the same, and we place them. And we put the 8 screws. We turn the extractor, and we can put it in the trunk of the van. To fix the bed to the van, we will use the 4 straps. We will adjust the front ones first, and then the back ones. Now we can place the bed frame on top of the structure. We screw the 8 screws, and the SUPERCOMPACT Camper Bed is already assembled. Now we will show you how easy it is to make the bed inside the van.